Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing really great in your lives, and I'm back with another video for you all. And today the chapter that I'm going to teach is chapter first of geography, that is resources. And but before starting a chapter, we have a very small प्रक्रिया that we follow, and वो है परम ज्ञान की प्रक्रिया। और आज का परम ज्ञान है कि लाइफ को ना सिंपली जियो, मेक थिंग्स सिंपल। Stop complicating. If you like something, go for it. If you don't like something, stay away from that. There's no point just running after things and reaching nowhere. So it's better to live simply. एंड हाँ, लोगों को आसपास आपके लोगों को बुरा लग सकता है, बट ठीक है यार, अपना अपना भी तो ख्याल रखना इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट ना। तो मैं तो हमेशा बोलती हूँ सेल्फ केयर इज़ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग टू डू इन योर लाइफ। सो सिंपल सा छोटा सा प्यारा सा ज्ञान आज का ये है कि मेक think simple and stop complicating your life and your surroundings or anything. So now let's get started with the video. सो स्टार्टिंग विद द चैप्टर रिसोर्सेज, सबसे पहले एक चीज़ हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं कि हम सबको ना गिफ्ट्स देना और गिफ्ट्स लेना वी जस्ट इन्जॉय। स्पेशली इफ आई टॉक अबाउट गर्ल्स, तो हमको तो गिफ्ट्स लेना ज़्यादा ही पसंद होता है। अब सरप्राइज होता है तो यू नो चेरी ऑन द केक, बट ठीक है, वी ऑल लव टेकिंग गिफ्ट्स एंड गिविंग गिफ्ट्स। सो वैसे ही हमारे नेचर ने भी हमें कुछ गिफ्ट्स दिए थे, जैसे कि सॉइल्स, नेचुरल वेजिटेशन, एनिमल्स, मिनरल्स, बहुत ही सारे गिफ्ट्स दिए थे। बट जो अर्ली ह्यूमन्स थे ना, दे हैड नो आइडिया हाउ टू यूज दीज गिफ्ट्स और टू कन्वर्ट दीज गिफ्ट्स इनटू यूजफुल आर्टिकल्स सो दैट इट कुड बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर एवरी वन। ओके, बट विद द पैसेज ऑफ टाइम, with the help of technology, human beings converted these gifts and made it into useful articles to satisfy the needs of the people, and this way these came to be known as resources. Clear? Okay, now resources को हम लोग हिंदी में बोलते हैं संसाधन। Anything, any technique, anything which satisfy human needs and is a useful article is known as a resource. Okay, so the gifts of nature that we've already talked about, for example, soil, natural vegetation, minerals, rocks. Okay, so these gifts of nature will become a valuable resource with the passage of time. Are we clear with this? Because to make this resource into a valuable resource, or the gifts of nature making it a valuable resource, will require a lot of time. Okay, for example, if I take an example of a waterfall. Okay, so starting with the waterfall, we all know that it is a gift of nature. Okay, now as we are clear that it is a gift of nature, we'll come to know that it has force. So we know that the force can be used to drive a water wheel. Clear? So when a technique was developed to harness this force of falling water, it became a resource. And nowadays, falling water is used to generate hydroelectricity. So this way, a gift of nature became a valuable resource. Now one really important or a highlight is that there are two main factors which can convert a substance into a resource. ऐसे वो दो factors जो किसी भी एक gift of nature को या किसी भी substance को एक valuable resource में convert करेंगे, वो है technology, क्या technique use की जा रही, and time. Remember these two main factors which are going to convert a substance into a valuable resource, and that is technology and time. Are we clear on this? Okay, now moving forward, the most important thing, or the another most important topic that I'm going to start, is the human beings. See, we all know that human beings are the most important resource because they have knowledge and skill. And as we all know that human beings are the most important resource. हाँ, हम ही लोग बहुत important resource हैं because of our knowledge and skill. अभी मैंने दो main factors बताए थे, technology, क्योंकि human beings are able to develop certain technologies, and दूसरा है time. देखो, time की तो बात ही ऐसी है कि हर दुख दर्द को वो heal कर देता है. Time heals everything, and all the good things take time. So technology and time are the two main important factors. यही एक just mark it because it is a very important point over here, and with the use of the skills and knowledge that human beings possess, they are able to give value to a resource. So this way हमें human beings की importance समझ में आ गई. And another most important thing is that there are still many resources which have not been yet developed, or we don't have certain technologies to exploit or develop them. And there are still many countries who have vast resources, but they do not have any idea how to exploit or develop them, and that is why they remain backward, poor and underdeveloped as well. So now I'm going to start my next topic, types of resources, in my next video. Till then please take care of yourselves. और ये वीडियो बहुत जल्द आ जाएगी. So उस टाइम दिवाली होगी. So wishing you all a very 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 happy and prosperous दिवाली. खूब enjoy करिएगा, but go green this year. Stop air pollution, avoid जितना आप कर सकते हैं, and just take care of yourselves. Bye everyone.